It's just a beautiful place to live, and we loved how close it was to everything. Like Target is in our backyard, and it's just we love Parker, and we loved how new it was and how beautiful. And
my favorite amenity so far probably has been the weight room. I've never had a weight room so nice before, actually.
Right when I walked into the leasing office, I knew right off the bat that this was the place we were going to be. The staff was like huge smiles on their face, so welcoming. They actually answered every question I had. And the next day I signed a lease.
I like the amenities here. I like the environment. I like actually the place where they have built up this community, and they have built up very nicely.
I would definitely recommend Watermark to everyone I know. And I actually have. When people come to visit and they see us with their kids and they start talking, it's so nice because I'm like, we love living here, and we tell everybody that.